How to get $100 Lyft promo code. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can get the $100 Lyft promo code. So if you're looking for some discount codes or different kind of promo codes for Lyft, in this video, we are going to show you exactly how we can find them. So let's just get started with the video. But before that, hit that like button, subscribe, and also comment if you have got any questions after watching this video. And let's just get started. So for that, you can directly open up a browser, any of the browser, and type in coupon follow in the search bar of the browser. Once you've typed in that, you will be reaching this page. Go ahead and click on the first link that appears, and you will be reaching to this interface. Once you're here on this page, on this browser, go ahead and type in, you can find the search bar. You can go ahead and type in Lyft in that search bar, or also type in lyft.com and click on the very first that appears. And there you go. Here you will be finding different kind of offers available, different kind of coupon codes available that you can redeem. If you can't directly find the $100, you can combine two of the promo codes like 50, 50, and 100. So you can do that and click on the show coupon code and you will be reaching to the space. So in order to redeem it, you can just go ahead and copy it and paste it in where you want to redeem it. Or you can also directly redeem by clicking on this redeem at Lyft, and that is it. That is how you can get $100 Lyft promo code following up this method easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.